Let's create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Now first we have our data already open, and it's important to note you don't want any empty rows or empty columns. Now you can have an empty cell. If I were to delete that name, that's okay. I'll Control Z and undo that. But you just don't want an entire column or cell or row, I should say, completely empty, because that'll mess up the pivot table. Now, as long as we're selected anywhere in here, let's go to Insert and click on Insert. Then we'll click on Pivot Table. Then it'll ask us if we want to create a new worksheet for this, and we will. And it's already, as you can see, it's outlining all the data that's connected to that cell, which is why you don't want an entire empty row, because then it would just leave off anything over there. So then we'll click OK. Now the pivot table is ready to go here, and here's all of our options, all the labels. So let's go ahead and click on them all and see what happens. Now it starts to build out all that data, and it arranges it based on this down here. So you can drag and change things up however you like. For now, the date doesn't seem to be helping, so let's uncheck that box. Now this is a little bit more organized. We're looking at it by region, by rep, by units, and by item. Let's go ahead and turn off region and see what happens. This is a much broader look at what's happening. And so those are just a few insights into how to create a pivot table. But go ahead and play around. You'll see that there's a lot of flexibility and power that is in that program.